The upcoming game from RGG Studio and Sega, Stranger Than Heaven, will include Tupac. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. The West Coast rapper is being digitally resurrected once again, this time to accompany the game's protagonist Makoto Daito on his generational journey through Japan. The new trailer for Stranger Than Heaven shows our protagonist setting out on an epic quest across latter 20th century Japan, with cast members including Snoop Dogg. From there, things take a puzzling turn as the trailer takes a dramatic pause and Tupac steps out of the shadows, wearing an open-chested kimono and his distinctive paisley print bandana. The trailer also revealed a January 2027 launch date. Tupac will not be the only digital shadow in the game, as Japanese actor Bunta Sugawara, who died a decade ago, will also appear. It appears Tupac will be playing a character named Amaru in Stranger Than Heaven. That's also the birth name given to him by his mother. In a press release, Sega confirmed that Tupac's portrayal of the character Amaru in Stranger Than Heaven is by permission of his estate, Amaru Entertainment. RGG Studio is also treating his likeness with the utmost respect for his legacy, crafting every aspect without AI, designing his character by using footage and photographs. Apart from this instant, Tupac's legacy has been co-opted in strange ways over the past decade. A giant holographic pack appeared at Coachella in 2012, steering debate over the ethics of the stunt. Then in 2024, Drake used the late artist's voice during his generational beef with Kendrick Lamar with an AI voice changer. Now we can add Stranger Than Heaven to the list of Tupac's virtual ghosts as well. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.